Hey guys, so Tom Macdonald just did a tribute song for Charlie Kirk. It's called Charlie. I think he just did it yesterday, and I listened to it and I thought it was great. And I was like, man, I want to learn how to play this. And I've done enough guitar to know I could kind of tell where it was being done, and I figured it was capoed. I looked it up to see if I could find if anybody had done a video on it yet. It's pretty soon, so I wasn't really expecting anything. And I was right, there was nothing up there. There's nothing on like Guitar Tab or video. Didn't find anything, so I figured I'd just figure it out. So I think I did. Now I think they're doing it on an acoustic guitar, but if anybody's interested in maybe playing it or whatever, I just thought it was a great song and a great tribute. So this is what I came up with, and this is a capoed on the 4th fret, and this is basically what I think it is. I think that's it. I don't know. Maybe if anybody's out there trying to learn it, maybe I saved you a step. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, thanks for watching.